Y'all, look at what's going on out here. Look at all this rain. I really loves it. I really love it when it rains like this on religious days, on spiritual days, like Ash Wednesday, Easter Sunday, Christmas. Yeah, yeah, I really do. Even when it rains when someone passes away, it's a spiritual meanings behind that. Yeah. But it's blowing, it's raining, the wind is blowing, you can hear it at times. Yeah, I don't want to open the balcony door because I'll set the alarm off and I don't feel like. I can turn it off from my phone, but whatever. Flower's still doing good. Okay, just wanted to show you what's going on in my neck of the woods. Love, peace, and in Christ. Bye.